What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking of the upcoming one more smartphone from the Moto, and it's the Moto G42. It's a budget friendly smartphone with a really good looks and design in this price bracket. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing about its display is that we'll be talking about the display, and it will be coming with a 6.4 inch of a full HD plus AMOLED display, which is really good at the budget smartphone segment. Apart from that, it is also one of the most stylish design in the segment, which the Moto says, and it is indeed a good refreshing design from Motorola. The phone also will come with the stereo speakers setup and also the support for the Dolby Atmos, which we generally don't find at this price segment too. And the phone will be running on Android 12 with the MyUX or the Motorola UI, which is the cleaner one without any ads included in the phone. There is a quad camera setup in this smartphone with a 50 megapixel camera setup, a triple camera setup, and a 16 megapixel of a front selfie shooter. There's also an ultra wide camera at the back and the macro sensor, which is of 2 megapixels. But apart from that, its battery capacity, it's a 5000 massive battery but with a 20 watts of decent fast charging. On the processor side or the speed performance of this smartphone, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor, which is again a good processor at a mid-range smartphones. And the storage of this smartphone is indeed a 4 plus 64 GB of baseline storage in this smartphone. So it's a decent one again at this price segment. But what's amazing is that it will also be coming with the IP52 water repellent design too, which means a rain will not affect your smartphone, which is again a positive at this segment. Well, apart from that, the phone all has a plastic back inside, as we can expect at this price segment. But overall, it is indeed a very good smartphone, considering that the phone is launching at around 15,000 rupees in India. So what do you think about this smartphone? And are you willing to buy this smartphone at the price of around 15,000 rupees? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom. Give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion. And I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.